Hello everyone, this is GR from GR Tech School. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to create a backup program in batch scripting using Robocopy command. Basically, what we're going to do, we have a working folder on our desktop. I'm going to work inside this folder. All of the file has to be transmitted to this D drive, to this backup folder. So basically, this program is going to sync these two folders together. So if I create a file, the file has to be transmitted to this folder. So that's the things we're going to write in this program. In order to write this script, we need to open our notepad. So I'm using notepad++. I have already written this code, so I'm going to explain the source codes, and you can see, and the loop, this is the loop, and the Robocopy is a command, and I have S stands for copy directory. So I want to copy empty directory. So this is my source destination, the working folder. Where is this folder, the path of this folder, and you can see the path of the folder is C users and GR Tech School desktop. So make sure to put inside double quotation, otherwise it won't work. And the working, so this is my source folder, this is my destination folder, D backup folder, and you can see D backup folder. And okay, make sure these two names are same. Okay, now the next line of code is saying wait every 3 seconds. So if you want to wait 2 minutes, you can put 120 seconds. So it is basically a timer. So I'm going to set it 3 seconds because I want to explain it. I want the things to happen quickly. So basically, when the interpreter hit this line, it will jump the interpreter over here. Then it will check. Then it will wait for 3 seconds and jump. So this program will run in a loop environment. Basically, what this program will do, it will check if there's any changes happened to this folder. If any changes happen to this folder, it will transmit that changes to the backup folder, basically to this folder. I think I need to close this unwanted folders, and you can see to this folder. Okay, so this is my working folder and this is my backup folder. So whatever changes happen to this folder will be transmitted over here. One of the advantage of Robocopy, it does not copy the file until it does not have any changes. So that means if you make any changes, it will copy. If you don't make any changes, it will skip. That's one of the advantage of Robocopy. So instead of talking too much, I'm going to run the script, and you can see I'm running the script. Now inside the working folder, I'm running this script. Inside the working folder, this is my backup folder. This working folder file is transmitted to this backup folder. So if I create another file, a Word file, and you can see after I create it, it's going to copy to that area, to that folder. So if I make any changes to this file, so what will happen, it's going to make that changes to this document. So basically, these two folders are synced together. So if you want any timing, for example, if you want to set the time to you want to check this every 1 minute or every 10 minutes, and you could do by setting certain times over here. So here I put 3 seconds. Every 3 seconds, the Robocopy is checking if there's any changes happen. If there's no changes, it's never going to copy, and you can see it shows everything in a CLI environment, and you can actually see that like that. Okay, and you can see that total directory is one directory, and mismatch and failed and exit and copy. And so if you create a folder, so I'm going to create another folder inside this working folder, and you can see that, you can see it in live. So this is my backup folder, this is my working folder. I'm going to create a folder over here. Once I create the folder will be copied over here. If I rename the folder, what will happen, it's going to rename that folder. Okay, basically I made a small mistakes, small spelling mistakes, and rename. Okay, it's going to copy that folder to that desktop. So if you want to create another any file is going to transmit over here. Basically, all of the works will be transmitted to this backup folder. So this Robocopy is extremely powerful. It is very useful, and we can use this script to make our work much easier. Sometimes you're working in desktops, you may miss your files. In order to protect your file, you can write a script like this. So basically, I have put my source directory and the destination directory, but you can replace with your directory. You can use this script. I have placed this script on my desktop. Okay, I have placed this script on my desktop. If I turn on this script, it will run. So basically, this is what Robocopy is. I hope you guys, this will be very useful for you. Thank you very much for watching this video. I will see you in the next video.